Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO F15 2020 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open the Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot we need to press the power button and volume down button together and hold them for 2 seconds, about 2 seconds, like this. You will see this window right here. It will disappear quite quickly, but that means you took the screenshot. You can also take the screenshot again. And here we have option called long screenshot. We can tap on it. Oh, I was too slow. Let's try again. Long screenshot. And this option allows you to take the screenshot of the more what's on the screen, basically. If there is information below the screen and you can scroll down, you can take the scroll screenshot. You can just scroll to the till you find the point you want to stop, and then tap down to take the screenshot, like this. And then just go back. You can also take the screenshot and tap on edit icon right here to edit your screenshot. You can draw on it with a pen. You can edit it right here in this editing tool. You can add some effects, crop it, basically cut it to the way, the way you want. You can add some stickers. You can add some filters and many more things like here. And once you're done, simply tap done, like this. And you can also delete it here, like that. And that's how you take the screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.